Good morning to dear students. I am N.K. Jha from APS. For 3 to 4 months, from 3 to 4 months, we are providing online class, and I think you are reading, you are absorbing the story which is explained by the teachers. So I want to give you advice. You have to make fair, because this is chapter number 4. Today we shall discuss in details. So before this, the chapters we have taught, we have finished, we have discussed. You have to write the question answer and 3 type questions, because it's so necessary and compulsory for all of you, because it will help you more and more in future whenever you will attempt and appear in the examination. So in fact, today you are explaining, then you will able to understand the theme, the story of that lesson. It's too much important and compulsory for all of us. So I mean to say, in all circumstances you will have to complete it, otherwise you will feel a lot of problem in future, and it will create a lot of danger in front of you. So according to me and my opinion, you have to explain, question, answer and make fair. Today we shall discuss the village blacksmith, and composed by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. And according to the poem, the poet wants to convey you which kind of things and which kind of behavior you should have, and how you will become a successful person through your dignity, through your hard work. That kind of theme, that kind of a story composed by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow, and according to the village blacksmith, he wants to expostulate all over the world, the people of the world, how the people will become a great one by dint of, by virtue of. So try to understand the view and the thought of Henry Wordsworth, and how he composed it, and what he had given the instruction and advice to the people of the world. We have to understand. So about the poet, we have to discuss and have to know. Henry Wordsworth Longfellow was born 1807 and died 1882. Was a respected American scholar. He was very, very popular and earned a lot of respect, a lot of name and fame as an American scholar. A scholar means learned people. And he was one of the best novelists also, and a poet. Great works provided by him, and he wrote a lot of poems and novel. So great idea and great knowledge he had. So I mean to say, please analyze about the quality of Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Through that you will able to understand the circumstances about that particular poet, and he became the first American to translate Dante's Divine Comedy. He was a prolific writer who made important contributions to the literary world despite personal tragedies and college teaching. So very important facts. And tragedies means Dukhand Natak. His popular works include Voice of the Night, Evangeline, and poems on slavery. Slavery means gulami. So this is the work in short given in my book and in our book, and we can find and we can search some information from the biography of the poet Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Now we have to discuss warm up. Why warm up is necessary for all of us? Because through it we get a lot of ideas about the story and about the poem, and why it's so necessary for all of us, because it reflects and it conveys the situation and in which condition the poet composed it. Look around yourself and notice the services that you avail yourself of regularly. Very important topic this is. Look around yourself. अपने अगल बगल देखो, आसपास देखो, and notice and follow the services that you avail yourself of regularly. The school bus driven by the driver, the electrical faults fixed by the electrician, the clothes stitched by a tailor, the estates cleaned by a sweeper, etc. This is the four factors. These are the four factors. A school bus driven by the driver is fact. Electrical faults fixed by the electrician. The clothes stitched by a tailor. And number 4, the estates cleaned by a sweeper. That means each one is working, and they know very well, and they know the responsibility of it, of daily routine, of daily work. Think of the people who provide such essential services. It's too essential for all of you. Think about those people. One who are providing such essential services. People plural है, so उसके अनुसार हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब लेंगे, हु के अनुसार नहीं लेंगे, क्योंकि हु के बाद इज भी यूज होता है, कहीं आर भी यूज होता है, तो हु के अकॉर्डिंग वो यूज नहीं होता है, नियर सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार यूज होता है. वेरी टिपिकल वन. एंड इन रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन आई हैव डिस्कस्ड इन पास्ट in class. Okay, so now we have to understand, have to think about those people who provide such essential services. These are essential services, and discuss how we would not be able to do without the help of these people. It is not easy without the help of these people. These kinds of work we can do and we can complete, because these are very important people. Just like a school bus driver driven the bus, So it's necessary, and they know the responsibility of the driving. And the second one, the electrical faults fixed by the electrician. And it's true, the clothes stitched by a tailor, it's also correct. They are doing their work. They are the people, one who understand the responsibility of them. So through those people, we are providing such essential services. So this kind of factor we have to discuss, and we would not be able to do without that person, without the help of the people. Means कि इन लोगों के बिना हम लोग जो है, इन लोगों के मदद के बिना हम लोग इन सब काम को करने के योग्य नहीं हैं. That means these are the people, and very very important and great people for the world. One who clean the street, one who stitches clothes. So by idealizing a blacksmith, Longfellow elevates a humble level and thus appeals to a society hoping to achieve success. Very very important thought and important quality which is very very important, and that's you have to create in you, and you have to try it how to create. So by idealizing, by analyzing a blacksmith, Longfellow elevates a humble laborer. That means परिश्रम के द्वारा, ईमानदारी से परिश्रम करने वाला इंसान, एंड दस अपील्स, और फिर सोसाइटी से अपील्स करते हैं, होपिंग टू अचीव सक्सेस थ्रू हम्बल लेबर. दैट मीन्स हार्ड वर्क. हार्ड वर्क के द्वारा हम सक्सेस को अचीव कर सकते हैं, ऐसा मानना हेनरी वर्ड्सवर्थ लॉन्गफेलो का है. एंड बाय आइडियलाइजिंग ब्लैक स्मिथ, जस्ट लाइक ब्लैक स्मिथ जिस तरह से हार्ड वर्क करते हैं बट ईमानदारी से करते हैं. Importantly, Longfellow makes sure that the blacksmith was not only hardworking and persistent, but also honest and pious. Importantly, it is too important. Longfellow makes sure, मतलब बताते हैं Longfellow, sure that the blacksmith was not only hardworking. It's sure, it's fact, the blacksmith was not only hardworking and persistence. Persistence means consistency, and hardworking means work hard. सिर्फ ब्लैक स्मिथ ही नहीं, नॉट ओनली का मतलब होता है नहीं तो, और बट ऑल्सो का मतलब बल्कि. ओके, एंड दिस इज कोरिलेटिव कंजक्शन, एंड यू कैन इमेजिन द इन दिस सेंटेंस नॉट ओनली एंड बट ऑल्सो इज कमिंग, and if you are not using and you will not use but also in the sentence, then you are totally wrong, because you have no any idea about correlative conjunction. So these are the important factor from conjunctions कि ये सेंटेंस में अगर एक आएंगे तो दूसरा को भी आना पड़ेगा. ओके. सो ब्लैक स्मिथ वॉज नॉट ओनली हार्ड वर्किंग एंड परसिस्टेंस बट ऑल्सो, बल्कि ऑनेस्ट एंड पायस. सिर्फ वो जो है सो हार्ड वर्किंग और कंसिस्टेंसी उनके अंदर नहीं है, लेकिन उनके अंदर ऑनेस्टी भी है और वो बहुत ही काइंड हार्टेड है, बहुत ही काइंड हार्टेड है. सो इमेजिन दैट फैक्ट बिकॉज यू आर ऑल्सो a hard working students, and through hard working you can and you want to achieve success through your hard work. So it is too important, and you will have to believe yourself on yourself. To take the example about the blacksmith, as a hard-working man, a lot of consistency in him. So, like that routine you should follow if you want to become a hard worker, and through hard working you want to achieve success. So he was not only hard working, मतलब वो सिर्फ हार्ड वर्किंग ही नहीं करता था और कंसिस्टेंसी ही नहीं करता था, बट ऑल्सो ऑनेस्ट एंड पायस. वह ऑनेस्ट भी था और काइंड हार्टेड भी था. सो इट्स वेरी वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. फर्स्टली यू शुड कैलकुलेट एंड एनालाइज अबाउट योर सेल्फ, हाउ मच क्वालिटी in you and how much you are careful and how much you are concentrating. So it is a great and big matter for all of us, and through the instructions of Henry Wadsworth Longfellow we can decide, and we shall analyze, can we get success? And you find, I mean to say, you will surely achieve the success. So it's great work by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, and I mean to say you will have to consult the hard word from this poem and read page number 26 and 27. Okay, thanks.